Orangi nui e tui honei. Ko papatua nuku e takoto nei. Ko tāne mahuta nāna te ngahere. Ko tangaroa nāna te moana ki uta. Ko ngā awa me ngā roto. Ko Aotearoa tō tātou u kai pō. In Aotearoa, New Zealand, we have a deep connection with the natural world. Nature is a part of us, and we are a part of it. As you travel here, we invite you to share this connection to help us take care of this precious place we call home. This is Tiaki. It is made up of 5 core principles that will guide you safely as you journey throughout Aotearoa, New Zealand. Protect nature. Many of our native species are endangered or at risk, so we ask that you appreciate them from a distance. Keep New Zealand clean. We're proud of this beautiful country and welcome our visitors to help us keep it that way. Be prepared. Our great outdoors are unpredictable, so making sure you are prepared can help you stay safe. Drive carefully. Our roads can be challenging. Please be safe, take your time, and always keep left. Show respect. This unique place will have a lasting impact on you if you travel with an open heart and an open mind. With Tiaki, we can all act as guardians to protect and preserve this place for now and future generations.